Karibu tena kwenye studio habari.
Leo tuna habari moto kutoka kote nchini.
Ndio, na tunayo taarifa za hivi punde kabisa.
Bakia nasi. Please sit down, Jack.
Thank you, Stacey. It's an honor to be here.
Jack, what have you been up to?
I've been up to no good, as usual.
I knew it. You know me too well.
The party was amazing.
The food was incredible and the music had everyone dancing all night.
No way.
Yes. This guy at the party last night would not stop trying to get my number.
Oh, really? What did he say?
He said you're the highlight of my night. Jack, you won't believe this guy. He was so full of himself.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he just kept saying how rich he was. So arrogant. He was so arrogant, I had to pretend to get an urgent call and leave.
No way. What did you say?
I just said I had to go. So I gave him a fake number and left.
A fake number. That's
He
brilliant.
deserved it.
Next time, I will tag along.
That would be great. You will be my wingman.
Stacey, let's go home now. It's late.
Sure, Jack. Let's go. You give me a lift home.